Malalau mali e hau e ki moe lele e tonga hono kotoa, fia ke o taritali lele ki mo tolu, ki o mo ngahi o ngongo mo le tio kai o maa e television e tonga ki he hoane. I he wakaiko ia ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Ha e lea e he ena a fifio e o wau mea whaka e ki o Lady Vaia i houma. Whakahuatu ke ofisi o e sea whakataimi o e whalea lea o tonga e fuafua tohi whakatuu ke kandidati pale mea fili. Pea wikia e ambastoa a siaina i tonga ni ai maa i moaola e ne awhio i siaina i he wike wha osiko ia o e mahina ni. O kuta iei pe ngā hitala noa kehea na iange pehea i tau wakai ki ngā hio ngongo me he malai o e sipoti kai o maa e tuunga o e ea. Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he whakai ki iki, ko au Liliani Polutele. Na e haelea e ena a fifio King Tupowono mo kuinina na spau ai o wau mea whaka eiki o Lady Vaia i he pongi o e ahoni i houma. Ko e lolotonga ni kua toka a Lady Vaia i he whaitoka ko otukolo mana tau i houma pe. Mahe whanua tūpola mo e whai ki.
Ko e pongpong fo o e pongpong e ahoni ki a kaukau loka mo hono ka i ngā i houma. I he kio hai manu tala aho o whanguna ki nau tolu ake hiwa teo mawai ai api ko tali ki hapai mo e whewhine o e api. Ni launge awa e ka inga hou ma mo maufanga ni nau te fua i tali ki hapai i he wau whaka mawai mo e mea whaka eiki o lady si atu ki moana Vaia o hou ma i he pongpongi o e ahoni. Ko Lady Vaia ko i waifia no pele Vaia o hou ma pea ne iloia ke toko lahi ko lady si atu ki moana whakawhanua Vaia. Ko e ofewhine ia o kalolaini e tau kapa aho mee mo no pele whakawhanua o maufanga ko nā pekia. Ni hoko whoki a Lady Vaia ko e whai ako hi ngahi tau lahi o i ngahi ako anga i pule anga o ka wene hoko ko e pule ako mo e tale kita o e api ako maulunga angia e pule anga ne iloa ko tihe. Ko ene pekia eni i haane tengetange o ne toka pehe api ko kaitangi a o whai Nuku'alofa i a wike ko o si pia tok whaha ele mai hono mea whaka eiki he aha mō ni te wike ni ki houma ki he api ko tali ki hapai. Nā ne toka i pia i houma i he wikeni ki hono tok whahok hono wau mea whaka eiki i he pongponge aho ni i he api ko tali ki hapai o tok whakakato ki he whaitoka ko ot kolomana tau i houma pe. Ni whahoko hono wau malanga e palestende o leo o i sea susilana tawataina o Tonga, whaifkau aliflete atiola, pea a whiotonu aia ena a fifio, Kingi Tupowono, mo kuina na spau, pe heke tama pilinis kalauni, me pilinses kalauni, pilinses pilo levu tuita, mo i hou eiki toko lahi. Mae ngonga le tio mo i televisione Tonga, ko au whaifenua tūpola.
Kua whakahuatu ane awhike e ofisi o e ki sea whakataimi o e whalea lea o Tonga ai fuafua tohe whakotuu ki he kandidati pale mea fili. I he whakamatala ko tuku mai mei he whalea lea o Tonga whakatatau ki he whaunga ngā o e whalea lea e toki whakahape ai whakotuu kandidati ni e he e ki sea whakataimi Lord Tangi o Nuku'alofa i he taimi e whakatahai ai kau whakafofonga whalea lea kua fili e he kakai ki whalea lea i ahamo ni te kono taha nima o e mahina ni ke fili e pale mia fili. Neongo e ni ka ko kei whainga mali e pe ki ha kandidati ke whahua atuha ane whotuu ki he pale mia fili. E toki tāpuni e whainga mali e koe ni ha whia ai ni ma whalaite kono taha ua o e mahina ni. Na e wikia e he ambastoa a siaina i tonga ni, His Excellency Liwei Min, ai mai maola a ene a whio King Tupowono hili ai kakato, ene a ahi whapule anga wike e taha ki siaina i he wike whakaosi o e mahina kua osi. Whakataha ia mo i tahine kuini na nasi pau. Pe he ambastoa liu ne hoko e a ahi whapule anga ene a whio, ke a whio tonu ai e ngahi whakalakalaka ho nā whonua, pia wakai ki ha ngahi ta whaaki e toi tokoni ki tō ngani i he ene wā whengai aki. Nā ne pehe, lorotonga eni ha whakataha makehe ai ofisi whakambastoa siaina me ngai kopo whekau aki. I he whewholawholai kui ene a whio me Palestini o siaina, Xi Jinping, nei mahino ai e whelotoia siaina pia mokoi mene a whio ki haalea pau, ke toi whakafo o mo toi whakalorotoange e wāwhengai ake a siaina i tōku i kolo, whakakau ngā me a, Koe hala whanonga whingai aki ngā whanua mua ngahi ka venga whawahapule mo whawhaitu o kwhia mao ke tokanga ki ai ngā whanua whakatou osi. Ia ne pehene malawa i lorotonga a ahi whapule angani ke awhio tonu e nā awhiwhio ki hono whamo oni mo whawho ai ngahi a lea pau maho inga lalahi e hongo fulu o kau kei a lea pau whi aki ki hono whakaivia o ekonomika tongani. Pehe e ampastoa liu o gunau kei taritani le leipe a ngahi koloa whakatonga maho inga ke tuku atu ki he maketi whakalota whanua ai siaina ke whakaivia ai ekonomika tongani i he ta whaaki koia ki hono wharagalaka whi whakatau aki ki muli. Nā ni whababau i eipe te nau kei hoko hoka tope hono whawhalau mai o i kauta ke tāma tau mi siaina ki tongani ke tokoni ki he poto ngāwe mo ui. Ne kau keni mo kei tuku pā siaina ke hoko atu e nau tokonia ai hala whanonga ki he mau angaiwi o hangi koia ko e nau tokoni i e nau polokalama ngāwe ki he mau angaiwi me he hawili pe whāma hawili. Koe ko ngā eni e whenga siaina ke tokoni ki ngahi whanua langalanga hake i e Pasifiki kau ke ato ngani ke nau malawa o matatali e ngahi haa o e whiriri wake e a pia ke whasi e si e ngahi mau ko ia ku hoko. Ke hene lahi pia ngahi ka venga i he alea pau whi maino ake hongo fulu koini ne whamoni kei ato ngani mo siaina o kau kei ai alea pau whi maino ake e ni ihi e ngahi kau taha mitia i siaina i ho nā wāwhengawe ake mo e komsoni whamafula lea ato ngā. Kua kauwhaka ofisiale ato ngani e ngahi whanua e te awono nima ke whakamooni mō pōpō ka kato ki he talite maho inga a mamani ki hono ta ofi mo whakangata o e ngahi nau tau whakaauha i he loto whanua pē koe maina. Koe makamaile whakahistolia eni kua o sia e tongani, koe konga e nau whenga ke toko ngai kina ai lao ki e ngahi tokoni whakahakia ke whawahapule anga. Puke me lino mo e malu koe ai ngahi whanua o mamani. Nai whahua te pōpō a tongani ki he taliteni i he aho wāno o sune o e taoni, pia tali i he moni te koia wikeni ke nau kāwatu ki he ngahi whanua me mi pā. Nai whiunga tonu hono whakakāwatu a tongani mo hono whakaawa o i whakataha lahi hono wowa i ngahi whanua me mi pā, ai aku pōpō ki he taliteni ne whai eni i siniwa. I whamatala a Leonai Tasi Koloni o ne whawhawhunga i e puleanga tongana a ne whapapau i ai kei tuko pā a tongani ki hono malui o e kakai siviliane, pehe ki he wonga taha mo i nofo melino e kakai i ngahi tōku i kolo o kue sia me ngahi nau tau whakaauha maina i he whanua. Nā ne pehe neunga koe whanua si a tongani, ka ko osmahino pe aho nau maho i ngā moho nau whatongia. Nā ne pehe ko e nau kawatu koe ni ki e me mi pā, ko hono whakahaia e nau tui tai toi viviua, neongo pe aku lahi whewhe ha whanua ka aku whea mao ki e whengai aki i hono lalanga ha mamani o ku malu mai ka hau ko ia o e whanua. Ko e tali teni o ku ne whamamawhai ai, ke ta ofi mo whakangata au pito hono ngauhi, mao ngawe aki mo whiawea ki holo i nau tau mai nā. Pe aku kei kau eni i he taha o ngahi alea pau o ku ngā welelei i mamani, i e mahino o ku tokoni eni ki hono whasi i ko ia a hono ngawe aki mo hono whiawea ki holo o e maina, pia whasi i ai ngai mau o ku hoko ke newe si ai mo ui ai kakai siviliane. Nei tāri lelei ai e he Palestini o e whakataha angani, ka koe ampastoa o siaina ai hūwha o koe ni ato ngani ki tari teni, mo ne whamamawhai e maho inga o i nau to o whakataha, ke whakaivia ai ngā weni mo whakalakalaka e taki lelei whakawhito o i e ngahi whanua e Pasifiki. Tālu hono whotu o e tari teni i he tāhiwe whawhito, mo hono whakaauha e ngahi whanua me mi pā ngai nau tau maina i he loto whanua e ne matolo miliona. Pea kona osi whakaata atu e ngahi konga kele sikuea mita e laui piliona i mamani, kua hao me ngahi mai nā ke ngawe aki mo nofo malu ki ai ai kakai. Kege he o mahino pe koe kawi ngani ne o hakeia lorotonga i ngahi whemea aki e whalea lea, i he konga ki mua ko ia o i taoni lorotonga hono whakawhehu ia o i pule anga, o whapapau iai me he minista ki muli ka koe me pirinisi ka launi, to poutoa ulukalala ai poupou ato ngani ki he taliteni. Kua wanamana iki mai ai leo mo e mawhana, pe lau maalia o i kilismasi mo i veke ai tonga kotoa, ke talitali ai pirinisi o i melino. Ne whakailonga i ai ane whiawhi i e wāhenga hihifo hono whakaulo e na māma kilismasi, i e ngahi api no whaanga mo i vei hala o hihifo, koe konga o e teu o ku whai ki hono katoa ngā i koe a hono teu aloi o e Prenisi o e Melino. Ka koe eiki koe a ko siso. Li te atau kapo mo e whakaiki iki.
Ko hono whakailonga i hono fōfua whakaulo e Mama Christmas o hihifo, ne whakahoko ia i he api ko leo leo i kolovai. I whakamatala e pule whakavahe o hihifo, pāhulu, nāne pehe, koe taha eni i he ngai whakotūtu o ne whai mai me he taoko o si, i e whakaamu ke whakatahataha iai e nau whānau, mo e tau tupu, pehe ke ngai whāmili i he ngahi aho malolo o i Kilismasi. Mahi no pē kono whakaulo o e Mama Kilismasini, nāne toho aki i atu ki ai e tokanga e tokolahi, pe ai kei hoko atu i he ngahi aho ka hoko mai. Ka nai pehe ai e pāhulu, ko nau oswe mahi no aki, mo i kau ofisa kolo, ke whakapapau i e malu e whewhanonga aki, mo no whakasii i e whemau e kina e halapure anga.
Pea, koe tōnga koia i he halapure anga nei whihi au pito. Aia, kauia i he mau whenga, i taimino no koe ni, mo i kau ofisa kolo, ke whakapolo kalamai, o au ki he whewhanonga aki hala. Pekai ke ngā dai, nai whai tohi kore ki he purunga e polisi, purunga e tāmate awhi, ki amanaki koia, ki polokalama koia, ki whakaulo e māma pongpongi, pakunau tari rere. E ongo putunga e peko ni i he wahe i fo. Te nau lawa ange pe o marui, pe hange koe whewhanonga aki hala, o whengau e aki whakataha, pe moe kau reo kolo, i kolo kotoa pe, ko si mateu teu ke ka ofisa kolo oia, mo nau whanau, mo nau tautopu, e nau reo hi pe, harapure anga tokoni atu ke purunga e polisi.
Lolo tonga eni, ne malawa o whakatawa to heni me ngahi mea tokoni mehi ngahi whāmile ni ihi o hihifo, me he vehala. Koe whainga maali e ia ke tokonia whakaipaanga ki nau tolu, koe uhika ngahi whie mau e whāmili moho nau ngahi kolo. Mahino pe, koe fōfua time en ke whakaulo māmai e wāhenga hihifo whakaluku fua, Niongo ku os whakotu e polokalama pehe ai wāhenga hahake moha veluliku i he tau ko hili. Kai kehe, ne tuku atuai pea tapou me he pule whakawahe o hihifo ki o nau ngahi kolo mo ki nau tolu te nau ahia o mamata i e ngahi Mama Kirismasini o hihifo. Ai mahu inga hono tauhi mo puke puke ai melino lolo tonga ngahi aha malolo o Kirismasi. Ma aiongong ale tio me televisione tonga koritea tau kapo.
I he whakailonga i he wikeni a whakawaha apuleanga o e kakai tu ulawea ngofua pe people with disabilities o ku whakamamawha i he takoni pule lahi e poto ngāwe ngahi ngāwe whakaloto whanua ai mahu inga e ngahi ngāwe tau ka vei ai to tonu e kakai kueni mo e tuula pe tu whakataha ko e kakai kotoa o e whanua i he kawingani. Papua aho mo e whakaiki iki.
I he whakaike eke molu isa mano whetoa, toko ni pule e potu ngāu e ngahi ngāu e whakaloto whanua, o kune tokanga i kina ai waa ngāu e whakasosiale, nāne whakahai ai whakaau ke toi lahiange e ngahi ngāu e o whakahoko e he pule anga, i hono tokanga i kina ai kakai tu ulawea ngofua, pe fie maumake he, i he mahino o kutoi whakalakalaka ki mua ai tu unga tau kei mo ilo ko ia atongani ki he kawei ngani.
Mahino pe i he tu unga ngāwe koe o whahau koe taimini koe retirement fund board. Aini koe ni koe o kuna wahe ai a ki nā tolu hange koe ni kau pensoni. Taimini na e whitu noa. Ko hifo pe ta o no fitu. Au ke taimini ko ta o no pe ko ke whainga maari e ko ia ke wahe ko ia pe me he sino i paanga malolo ko ne pule anga pe ko mea whakakolo ai e ta ko wahe ko ne taimini me ho no ala ki ia ki he fitu hiva o ko ia i paanga te au pe ko ta walu no leva ke au ki he te au ko te au no ai ai ko e ta whaaki a ko ai pule anga o whai mai ai to koni ki a ke kau a taulekeleka o ku ia i me whaka a whainga maari ai wahe whakamahina ko ia. Ai a ko usio i he ngahi a whakalakalaka koe se e tau he ngā ue pa masika kai tu lawea ngofua ko ia oi whonua o koe ke ngata pe he whanau iki o ku tau noa, ke tau nima, kau te lele pe ai, o au ke tau te au. Pea ku kau kia whanau iki, kau kia ai to utupu, pa kau kia ai mātu alotoloto, pea pehe ke kau tōleke ka kau, ka tō ki nau tōlu kia ai.
Pehe e mano whetoa, koe ngā ue ki kawe ingani o ku tau mu aia ke au sia e he society, ai tu unga le leiange i he lava ke tali e kakai tu ulawea ngofua, pe kakai mo ua i he whaingata a ia, whakasino, ke oua e whakangata-ngata a ngā he whainga mālie o ku nau mau maka tu unga pe i he tu unga o ku nau iai.
Ko tu unga koe o e ai ngahi whenga koe ni koe ke ngahi kulupu, pe koe ngahi kakai koe ni ke nā wau sia ai tu unga koe ku nau whia mau ke nā wau ki ai. Me ta whaake ako, mana elea tō tahai ahone, koe tare kita ia o e si kulupu koe ia o ku po uri hona fofonga, whakafonua. Ko alo ai tō taha koe ni o mau ene matai tohi me USB, pakune te o ate ia mo toko wha. O tō ia ko ahone nā ne whai ene kore, nā te lava o mai hana o scholarship, ke whakaivia a ke whana, pa tau sio peki ai. Wai mea fo o hoko he taimini koe naka ke tau sio ke nau, ke tala noa sign language mai ai whanau koe ahone, mau sio, o ku lava he whangi whanau iki o whai ai tala noa sign language, ai koe ngahi mea mau sio o koe whakalaka ki ai, ai whakalaka ki ai, pe hange koe kore koe ki kakai ki o whamai tuku ahono, tuku hifo ho nau nge ia, mo whakaaluma, mo manu ki he, o ku mau ngoi o ku ale taimi o koe ke te whai ai whakaaluma koe aka hange koe lau, koe hanga pe ia whoki ai kau hange koe ku lau, koe kau kawatonga, koe whakakata whakakawatonga, ka ko te sio apito ki taia ke o wha me popo o mai ka koe hangai pe koe whahinga anga pe ko tawanga ki ai ka koe ne hao koe he taimini ke he tau tangata ia koe ni he o ku nau mamahi ki nau tolu ia ke heke uipe he ki nau tolu pe hangai koe ngahi a koe koe nau whai koe he taimini he tau tangata he taimini o koe ke sai hono uipe he ki nau tolu koe taimi a koe na sai pe koe ke tokangata hatahi ki ai ka koe alu koe whakamamani lahi moe hao ai ngahi he ai alu koe e taimi ko pau ke tau whenga lahi ku lahi ngahi pōle ia he whakamamahi ki he tau kakai he taimi ko o ku hoko e ngahi mea koe ni tau ilo pe koe nau ofa pena to nau loto he ka ku ngai ngahi lea o ku tau whaamu pe ke tau wako ke tuku ko hiko ngahi lea ia o kai ke pōpō ia ke langa hake o he kakai koe ni
o ku hoko atu pe whoki ai ngā ue e pule anga me ngahi hoa ngā ue ke ngahi kulupu i kai whapule anga o i kai ngata pe i he aho mahu inga o ku whakailonga iai e kakai tu olawea ngofua, ka koe pehe e manu whetoa, koe ngā ue e ni o ku whakahoko i he aho kotoa i he wheitu kotoa.
Pea kua unohi atu e fwoi whaiva i loa koe lea tupu anga ne whao e he ngowhiwhine tonga ke kau i he ngahi whaiva ke veipa mo whiliwhili miai ai whiauhi e ti whaiva lele i taha. I he polokala ma fua ki pale i loa a mamani koe Oscars, koe makamaile maho inga eni ki hongo whewhineni i hono tukanga i koe ia, mo hono whakatukanga i o e fwoi whaiva na ana whao whakamamani lahi. Pea whakamahino ai tale niti lawa mea kona whakahoko ai a koa uia ki he tuunga maa olunga mo whakamamani lahi whoki. Betty Blake ilo lahia, te tawakaya i ki he whakaiki iki.
Koe hingoa o e whaivani, koe lea tupu anga. Nai whao he whine mui ko ngā tonga ko Luciane Buchanan, pea ko hono hulu mo tataki hono e tii o e whaiva, ne whakahoko e vea ma fleo. Koe whaivani nai whao ia o makatu unga mehea au sia nai whanonga mai ai ai whine muini i he ene tupu hake i nuusi la, i he mahino, na i kaikene poto i he lea whakatonga, ka na ane whia mao ke ngāwe tauhi tō leke leka. Koe pole lahi na ane whihanga ngai mo ia i he whenga ki a whaunga e whetutaki mahino ai mo tō leke leka. Aia koe whakaamu ene whau, ke ne hulu i mai ai pole o nau whihanga ngai mo ia i he e nau tupuhake i muli, pea ke whakatuu mo whekumi ki a whaunga e malawa ke veteki aki ai whaingata a. Kai ke he okwhiawhia e ongo whewhineni i hono whakatoka ngai whakamaman lahi fo i whaivani, ne ongo ko os iai pē ai ngai pale ko mao e he fo i whaivani i he pasiki. I kai ngatai, ka okhoko eni ke ne whakaivia ai honau tale niti malawa. Ma ai ngongo ale te o ma televiso ne tonga, ko au Betty Blake ilo lahia.
Unia ngongo whaloto whonuaia ko piea o lie mo e ngahi o ngongo ko ia mihi malai o e sipoti hoko mai.
Mara mo tau ki whilonga ki koe wakaini ki malai o e sipoti. Me malai koe e whuhuna e kei tui tukuange fo e whetu e kautaha fu a tonga ha taimi ka e tohe fofua i kuna i he whiau he kautaha fu a mamani pe International Boxing Association a ki se koni tau noa i tū pai he pongpong e aho ni. Koe e na e kuna e una loto tu i neau hawea e ne whai ar he pongpongi ni i kilo i e waluono ki hei wawa ai added men o ne tuki pohua i e sai e niti Lepanoni ko i a Kombo Antonio i se koni pe tau noa. Pea paua i ke ta ofi whamau ai fuhu koe ni. Na e gaito e taimi hawea ka e lo papa i Pea Antonio o mimi pa olu pese koni tahani maa. Pea toki whoki hifo o toi ta ofi whamau ai fuhu koe ni pea mahino o wikai maru e mo ui tangata Lepanoni he ne si wha o lau e whetu u he loto whare mamata spoti. Koe kamata lele in ke timi tonga ai whoko hawea mi he kalapu fuhu koe e tonga mama o e wā pea ko te vita malupo me he kalapu fuhu a kolo motu a ai ango whahofonga tongani ki he whiau hini. Oku i tū pai e ngā whanua e te ahong fulma walu ke nau whawhikiki ki he pare lau miliona ai IBA ai e kato ia i he ahataha whaa mahina ni. Wharatau ki a ngongo tukumai mi he kautaha ngongo e IBA ko tola Amerika e walu tesmare tolua miliona ai seniti e whaki ki he kau ikuna ai a koe pare uluaki koe tola ia e tolu kilo. Kage, whawhikiki e kau āteritani ki he poini lelei taha, aia e lava ke huai ki honoaria i e hau o e mamani o e whiauhi ai World Boxing Championships. Me mara ka puru ino ni ku te atu ki he takai hono whae whiauhi koia ki heipo alavenga maari e a pongpongi ki e paake te whai wā. I he anga koia tau ngahi whainga ki a pongpongi, whakatau ki hono tukumai pe me i he komiti, e tawhi malai a pongpongi taimi hawhi ai taha ngo timi iki kai pakihikihi o Pool C, toa ko maafu mo Homa Tigers, pe hoko mai rewa e haua wahenga Tongatapu, Haateiho Spartans, mo e lavenga maari e Hurricanes, i he taimi o se hongo fulu mi he taha hoa taha. Koe tau ka ase te, e mirimiri sino ai tolo Old Boys, mo e Havelu Bulldogs, i he taimi toi minite e hongo fulu ki he wā, ki mu alewa e whai walahi o e aho, e whari ari ai i kare o kolo motu a, mo e timi ko e hifo tukuhari i he taimi hawhi ai whā. Kai ke heo ku i kai ke wainga e haurotonga e whiau hini, ka ko e kalapo Maris, ai e whoki o ku ke taki pe i e te pire lau poine pōsi me poine hongo fulu. Ko o whaki ke hau o mamani o malai fuhu o le Sunday Music, ai whenga maari e, ke ne pore i hataha ke nārea i e aileta ko i e WBC, hiria e ne whia mao ki mua, ke mirimiri sino ko i e Deontay Wilder i e ne fuhu hoko. O kai whoke i loto a Wilder ia i he toko hongo furu tō ki mua koia ki he leta WBA, WBC mu IPF. Pe hene pehe, ko pau ke tua ke i si ha taha ngahi le tani ki he taha ke pore mai ki ai. Nei talaki me he WBC, i rotonga e nau whakataha neawhi e tukuange, whenga maari e ki he hau i graini koe ni, ke ne tuku ki tua he leta ku ne malu i, pea e malawa ke pore mai ki ai ha taha ke nārea ai. I he kautahani, ko e whaari ari whamui ko ia i sik na e whahako e siulai he ne whapaulu ko ia ai toa Britania ko ni ko Daniel Dupois i takai ni mape pe hoko ai pe ko hau whare vrewa ia mamani i pao ni mama wha i mahina ko o si ne whaitu tuuni ai toa tau tolu waruni ke tukuange leta WBO pe pao ai ke puke ia e Fabio Wardley o Britania ai pe ai reta ko ni. I he taimle tau pe whoki o ku ke i malu pe o Music, a leta ko e WBA, IBF, mo e WBC. Ko e sipoti pia.
Alexander Usyk defending his WBA, WBO, and IBF heavyweight belts.
Ko e wakailewa e niki he tuo ngā oe ea i hona tuku mai mi waa wakai matangi a tonga i whamotu me poto ngā oe Meidek ai ai whakahoko atu e pete lo taulaki.
Malalau maare e hou e ki mole rei a tonga ko toa tai tai rei mo toke whahako te tau whamatala ea ko ia ki he whakao singa oe weke. Ko tau kamata ko ni te tau kamata pe moha alo maari e pea ko ea o koe ke sāpate e ai whakaaro tamaki ua ngā unu mai ki o tau e ria ai te tau whai whanonga tai moha au fia kai pehe moha oha tu moto. Ka pate mo wakai me pehi misa te laite, alo tamaki uha e kutoka e ria ko ni ua whaua au whuke whakahihifo ko tonga, kua e whaki moha alo tamaki uha taha o kutoka ki e ria ko ia o tereki tonga pia mo tereki toke lau. Te tau toksio ki hanga hi se koni ko te pungai mo meniti ko ni ka hoko mai. O kua i whuke whatoka ngā tahi lah, ia ki he kotoa ngā hi potahi. Ka maa ngā hi mata whanga ko ia o tonga. Mo kei maa lohi beha viri he potahi whakatonga ko ia o tonga. Ai o kuia he whatoka ngā hako hako. Kai pehe whare i ki tokanga ki he ngāhi waka i ki he potutahi ko ia o tereki tonga kau maa a tereki toke lau. Aha nima koen ka hoko mai, ko mende tau sio i kai whatonga e ngua haolo tamaki ua he fōu i heo. Tau whakahihi fōu e o tonga, ngā unu he fōia ki he whakatonga. Pea e aiha uha moha mana ki he konga lahe ni o tonga, tau te whito wawa o wauhifo ki hapa i Tongatapu mo ewa ki he konga loto e wikaha u. Ka i he ngā unu koe ni au tāmaki koe ni ki whatoka au ai au ni hanga i au diriu e toka ngā haviri fusi hifo ke angi mei he toke lau. Ai a koe ngai mea i makatunga ni tau sio ki ai e ai e toi mawhanangi ai ea kau mai e iai moha uha tu moto ki he e ria o tonga pea e iai pe mo e alomarie. Ai e alomarie pea e iai mo uha tu moto. I he anga e pakai at ko ia ki he wao ki konga loto ko ia o e wike kaha o. Ka koe whiawhini le vaini alo maaria e ria ko ia o wawao pia moha pai. Pia ia e uha tumoto e ria ko ni o fo ni o Tongatapu au ke whakahifo au hifo ki he e ria ko ia o Tongatapu mo e wa. Koe hawiri wangi pe me tonga hahake hongo fulu ki he tahanima pe toi maalohi ngi hawiri ki he whakatonga ko ia o tonga o peke mai tahi wanima ki he hoa iha ngahi taimi. Koe mauralo tahane la wau ki ai te glise siase woua, ua wha, pia au ki hua nima i he ongo ni ua. Sai kua pongpongi e toi ki au whia ange ko ngahi au ko niunga onu mai a me whakahihi fo, pia ie pe uha tumu tohi e lia ko ni ua whauka pe he ki Tongatapu mo e ua. Kei nofo pe havire he maalohi tatau hongo furutaha nima, pe kei maalohi o pe havire o ke hako hakota te whito pe ki he potahi ko ia o tereki tonga ka ma a tereki toke lau. Koe marunga tahana te tau lawa au ki ai ko e tigri se se wahiwa o au ki tō noa, malawa po au ki he tō noa, e ria ko Tongatapu mo e wati penia mi alo tā maki uha ko ia ki he whakatonga. Wako i he taim tatau pe i whiawhika pongpongi o whaiwhanonga tai ki sāpate, tu e ki au whia ange pe ki hoko hoko ato i pe whainga maare ki haua uha ki e ria ko Tongatapu mo e wa, pe hei ki e ria ko ia niwa fo ou, pe ngā onu mai mo whangi uha tū moto, ai au halan pulu atu ko i e ria ko ia wawao pea mo haapai. Mauralo tahana la wau e ki he sāpate au ki e tigri se ua tolu ki he uanima, ai me si pinga tatau pe ia i he anga pakai ko ia ki he mauralo taha ko ia ki a pongi pongi. Pea ko sāpate te tau ke whanonga atu ai pe me au whia i e mua uha tumoto maklawa ki loro laha i e ria ko ia Tongatapu mo e ua pe he pe ki e ria ko ia niwa fōu. Pea e malawa kau sisi a te whainga maari e ke ia i hamana mana ki he whakatonga ko ia o Tongatapu pea mo e ua. Taime ko ia tahi tau maari e pe koe tahi lahi ia i he whiawhini o smufu manima ko ia me he whito mahatoka ia i he ose tua pōponi i he ua. Ko e la a mai mahina hopo la a i he tuhunga furuka ki he noa pongpongi tō ia i he osongfu maua me he whito. Hopo ai mahina i he whiawhini pea e ka atoa ai mahina i he taimi ko na tō e ua whā ko ia ki he walo. Tō e mahina a pongpongi. Ko e a nima koe ka hoko mai, ai ko wikaha ua te tau ka mata ki pe moha uha, malawa ke lololahi, pia mo mana ke moni te mo tūsi te. Aga ua ke pule lulua au ke whalai te tau whaiwhanonga atu mo alo maari i he taimi tatau pia e toi iai mo uha tu moto. Pia toi ki hau maa whana ngai ea tupu pe me toke lau ko ia o e hawiri. Ki he ahe nima koe ni. Ai koe maurunga tahana lawa au ki ai, koe tiri se ua whitu o ki he ua hima. Koe tau ngata ngā pe ia ki he whiawhini, ko whakamalo atu i he tau kau, tauangi ke mo ma o ha whakaosinga o ha wike lelei o e wikeni. Ka tau tok whemata ki i he wike kahauna.
Ko e to o ngai a oe ea, ka tau toi wakayangi pehi ki ngahi o lo i o ngongo. Ha e lea e he ena a whiwhio e o wau mea whaka eiki o Lady Vaia i Homa. Whakahuatu ke ofisi o sea whataimi o whalealea o tongai fuafua tohi whakautu ke kandidati palemia Fili. Pea wikia e ambastoa a siaina i tongani ai mai moaola e ne afio i siaina i he wike whaosiko ia o e mahinani. Mo e kakato e peia o ngahi o ngongo mo le tio kai o maa i television e tonga ke houani mo whakaamu ne au taki kotoa atu peia ke loto whale kotoa. Kai malo e tau ke i whiau mai ka mō mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, Lady Vaia laid to rest at Otukolomanatau Cemetery in Houma. Chinese ambassador to Tonga praised the successful state visit of their majesties to China last month, and the Hihifa district lights up in celebration of Christmas. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest in sports and the weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popua Aho. The people of Houma and Maufanga and the families of Lord Vaia and Lord Whakawhanua gathered this morning to farewell the late Lady Vaia, who was laid to rest at Otukolomanatau Cemetery in Houma. Their Majesties King Tupo VI and Queen Nanaspa'u, Their Royal Highnesses Crown Prince Tupo To'a and Crown Princess Sinaitakala and other members of the royal family Ha'amoheofo were in attendance at the funeral today.
A new dawn for the community of Houma this morning, as the sound of the morning dove was joined by hymns of farewell from the Talikihapai residents to the late Lady Vaia. The people of Houma and Maufanga gathered at Talikihapai for the farewell service funeral of Lady Si'atuki Moana Vaia of Houma and Maufanga. Lady Vaia was the wife of Lord Vaia of Houma. She was the daughter of the late Kalolaini Taukapa Ahome and the late Lord Whawhanua of Maufanga. Lady Vaia was a respected teacher, principal and director of the Tonga Institute of Higher Education. She passed away last week at the Kaitanga of our residence in Nuku'alofa and was laid to rest this afternoon at the Otukolomanatau Cemetery in Houma. The funeral sermon was delivered by Reverend Alifileti Atiola, the acting president of the Free Wesleyan Church of Tonga. Also in attendance at today's service were Their Majesties King Tupo VI and Queen Nanaspa'u. Their Royal Highnesses, the Crown Prince, Prince Tupo Toa Ulkalala, and the Crown Princess Sinaitakala, Her Royal Highness Princess Pilolevutuita, and nobles of the realm. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Vaifanoato Paula.
The first nomination for Prime Minister-designate was received by the office of the Interim Speaker of the Legislative Assembly yesterday. The opportunity to submit further written nominations will close next Friday, December 12, at 4:30 p.m. Lord Tangi of Nuku'alofa will then gather the representatives on Monday 15th for the election of the Prime Minister-designate. The name of the nominated candidates will only be revealed at this meeting. The Chinese ambassador to Tonga, His Excellency Liu Wei-min, has praised the success of Their Majesties King Tupo VI and Queen Nanaspa'u's recent state visit to China in November, hailing the visit a significant milestone in the history of the two nations.
During a special briefing conducted by the Chinese Embassy in Tonga yesterday, His Excellency Liu Wei-min says during their president meeting with His Majesty King Tupo VI, they had an in-depth exchange of views and reached broad consensus on renewing China-Tonga traditional friendship, deepening high-quality and road cooperation, and international and regional issues of mutual interest. During this state visit, 10 agreements were reached and witnessed by His Majesty, including an agreement to enhance economic partnership, including trade, in which they welcomed more high-quality Tongan products to the Chinese market and encouraged Chinese companies to invest and do business in Tonga. His Excellency Liu says China will continue to send medical term teams and traditional Chinese medicine doctors to Tonga as part of their effort to ensure people's health. Part of the agreement was that China will work to support the Tonga Energy Roadmap and build on the success of the China 8 wind farm project further expand cooperation with Tonga in green and low carbon areas. They will also step up practical cooperation on disaster prevention, mitigation and response to disasters. However, there were other areas included in the 10 agreements between Tonga and China, including 2 memorandum of understanding of news cooperation between Xinhua News Agency of China, China Media Group and Tonga Broadcasting Commission.
Tonga has become the newest state party to the Anti-Personnel Mine Ban Convention, a commitment to international humanitarian law and global peace and security. This follows the accession, deposited in June this year and enforced this week during the opening of the 22nd meeting of the states parties at Geneva.
Speaking on behalf of Tonga at the meeting, the Deputy Permanent Representative of the Permanent Mission of Tonga to the United Nations in New York, Leonidas Sikoluni, reaffirmed Tonga's principal commitment to the protection of civilians and solidarity with communities affected by anti-personnel mines. He added that their accession reflects their firm belief that every state, regardless of size and circumstance, must contribute to building a safer world for future generations. Tonga becomes the 166th state party to the convention, bringing the Pacific region to near universal acceptance of the treaty. The convention prohibits the use, stockpiling, production and transfer of anti-personnel mines, and regarded as one of the world's most successful humanitarian disarmament instruments. State parties have destroyed more than 53 million anti-personnel mines since its adoption in 1997 and released billions of square meters of land for safe and productive use. However, this matter was raised during the deliberations in Parliament this year, while members of Parliament questioned the government, in which the Foreign Minister, His Royal Highness the Crown Prince Tupota Ulkalala, confirmed that Tonga will be joined. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Vaia Paula.
With Christmas drawing near, the sounds and spirits of the festive season continue to spread across the country as communities prepare to celebrate the Prince of Peace. In the Hihifa district last night was a bright and festive occasion as their Christmas lights display was switched on in homes and along the Hihifa Road throughout the district.
The Hihifa district lit up last night as families gathered to witness the official start of the Christmas lighting season. The first lights were switched on at Api Koleoleo I Kolovai, marking the beginning of this year's district-wide celebration. According to the Hihifo district officer, Pahulu, this annual lighting tradition was introduced last year with the goal of bringing families, especially children and young people, closer together during the Christmas holidays. The display has already attracted strong community interest, and with more visitors expected in the coming days, the Hihifo district office confirmed that agreements are in place with local authorities to help manage traffic flow and reduce congestion along major roads. In addition to the lighting event, several families in Hihifo have begun selling food along the roadside, an opportunity to support household needs and contribute to their communities during the festive season. This is the first year the entire Hihifo district has been fully illuminated, following similar efforts by communities in the Hahake district and in Haveluliku last year. As the celebration continues, the Hihifo district office is reminding residents and visitors to enjoy the lights responsibly and to maintain peace and unity throughout the Christmas holidays. With the district now officially glowing for the season, Hihifo families look forward to celebrating Christmas together in the weeks ahead. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
As this week saw the celebration of International Day of Persons with Disabilities, the Deputy CEO of the Ministry of Internal Affairs is emphasizing the importance of all efforts to uphold the rights of people with disabilities and the need for unity among all people of the country in support of these works.
In an interview with Luisa Manuel Fetoa, Deputy CEO of the Ministry of Internal Affairs Social Protection Division, She highlighted the growing number of initiatives the government is implementing to support people with disabilities or those with special needs, reflecting Tonga's increasing capability and understanding in this area. She explained that there are ongoing government programs, such as the monthly financial assistance, that has evolved over the years, and their services are continuing to expand to proper cater for those in need. However, much of the progress in disability services also comes from the work done with partner organizations. Their efforts ensure that support for people with disabilities extends well beyond just a few groups and includes everyone concerned. Manuefito stated that the purpose of these initiatives is to create a society that is better able to accept and include people with disabilities, ensuring that their opportunities are not limited simply because of their condition. She shared that in their efforts to reach these goals, representatives from the community are inspiring one another, that they can achieve great things in life, and that disabilities are not a limit on their potential or talents in education, sports, or any other field they want to explore. She added that there are also issues of language. In the past, people with disabilities were often called by inappropriate or disrespectful names, and little attention was paid to correcting such behavior. But now we have reached a time where society has improved its understanding, and they continue to encourage people to stop using outdated and offensive terms and behaviors, and instead show respect for these important members of the community. Government and partner organizations, including non-government groups, continue their work to support people with disabilities, not only on the official observance day, but, as Manuefito emphasized, through ongoing daily efforts in every place around the country. Reporting from Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Betty Blake, Ilolahia.
And Tongan excellence reaches new heights as the short film Latu, or Mother Tongue, created by Tongan filmmakers, is officially under consideration for an Academy Award in the Best Live Action Short Film category. The film has received a major boost after the writer and star of the film, Luciane Buchanan, announced that Aquaman actor Jason Momoa is now an executive producer.
Leatupu'anga, which is directed by Vaia, now has a big name attached which could elevate its chances of getting nominated. Jason Momoa shines a brighter spotlight on the short film with the influence and audience that he brings. Leatupu'anga tells a story of a Tongan speech therapist who exaggerates her fluency in her native language to secure a job working with Siausi, an elderly Tongan man suffering from a language disorder that has left him unable to speak English. Out of her depth, she is forced to find new ways to communicate with her patient, confronting her own insecurities and cultural disconnection. In 2017, feeling uncertain about her limited fluency in the Tongan language, she began writing as a way to express herself. With the support of director Mafleo, the script was brought to life and premiered in 2024. Since then, the short film has earned recognition across the Pacific and beyond, winning regional awards and securing nominations at international festivals. Now, its 2026 Oscar consideration marks the film's biggest stage yet. Reporting from Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Betty Blake, Ilolahia.
And that was the latest from the local scene. Up next, we'll join Mark Ake for the latest in sports.
To boxing, Tonga started their IBA Men's World Boxing campaign with a win in under 30 seconds in Dubai this morning. In the elite men 86 kg to 92 kg division, local athlete Javier Unaloto Tuineau won via stoppage after his opponent, Bo Antonio from Lebanon, took an array of unanswered blows. The referee ended the fight in just 29 seconds after Tuineau threw consecutive hard-hitting punches that left Antonio blocking for his life and unable to respond. This was a fairy tale start to Tonga's campaign. Team Tonga comprises of Tuineau from the Tonga Mama'o Boxing Club and Te Vita Malupo from the Kolomotua Boxing Club. The competition, which features 118 countries, will end on December 14th. According to the IBA website, there is a 8.32 million prize pool and is officially the most lucrative amateur boxing event ever held. Athletes from around the world will battle for glory over the next days, representing nations, dreams, and the hope of career-defining opportunities. So Rugby Union? Round 4 of the Laveng Amalia Cup tournament will take place tomorrow at the Te Whaiva Stadium. The opening match will be at 10:30 a.m. between the Homa Tigers and Toko Ma'afu, who are both at the bottom of Pool C. Next, the Tongatapu champions Ha'ateho Spartans will face the Laveng Amalia Hurricanes at 12:10 p.m. Pool D table toppers, the Tolo Old Boys, will then take on the Havelu Bulldogs as the curtain raiser at 1:50 p.m. The main event will be a classic between the Kolmatua Eagles and Hihifo Tukuhali at 3:30 p.m. The Laveng Amalia defending champions, Maris, are on bye this round. South African lock Eben Etzebeth has received a 12-match suspension for his eye gouge on Wales flanker Alex Mann, ruling him out until April, but maintained his actions were not intentional. Etzebeth, the most capped Springbok player of all time, received a permanent red card in his side's 73-0 thumping of Wales in Cardiff last Sunday, with condemnation coming from all quarters and his own coach Rassie Erasmus admitting it did not look good. The two players tussled late in the game among a melee, and Etzebeth was seen to make contact with Mann's eye with his hand and said he was acting in self-defense. The committee, chaired by Christopher Quinlan KC, and also including former England internationals Leon Lloyd and Peggy Essex, believed the action was intentional and warranted a mid-range entry point of 18 matches on the offensive scale. This was reduced by 6 matches due to the player's disciplinary record and some mitigating factors according to the panel. New Zealand flanker Artie Savea provided a character testimonial in support of Etzebeth, while Mann did not take part in the hearings at all. Etzebeth will miss the next 12 games for his Durban-based URC franchise, the Sharks, and will be available again from April. He will not miss any matches for the Springboks, who are not in action until July. And to boxing, Alexander Usyk has been granted the opportunity to make a voluntary defense of his WBC heavyweight title after saying he wanted to fight Deontay Wilder next. Unified heavyweight champion Usyk said this week that Wilder was his first option for his next fight. Wilder is not ranked in the WBA, WBC, or IBF's top 10, meaning Usyk may have to vacate some of his titles to fight him. But the WBC announced at their annual convention that they would not immediately call a mandatory defense for the Ukrainian for their belt, opening the door for a world title fight between the pair. Usyk last fought in July when he stopped Londoner Daniel Dubois in round 5 to become 2-time undisputed heavyweight champion. But in November, the 38-year-old decided to relinquish his WBO title, elevating Britain's Fabio Wardley to a heavyweight champion. At the time, Usyk informed the WBO he will not be proceeding with a mandatory title defense against Wardley. Usyk remains the WBA, IBF, and WBC heavyweight champion. The WBC also confirmed that a potential fight between British boxers Lawrence Okolie and Moses Itauma would determine the next mandatory challenger for the WBC belt. Both fighters already have bouts scheduled, with Itauma fighting Jermaine Franklin on the 25th of January in Manchester and Okolie boxing in Nigeria later this month against a yet-to-be-announced opponent. Several other Britons could also put themselves into world title contention next year, with a potential bout between Joshua Buatsi and Ben Whittaker expected to determine the next mandatory challenger at light heavyweight.
That was Mark Ake with your sports news for tonight. Now taking a look at the latest weather update from the Tonga Met Service with Petelo Taulaki.
Evening once again from Tonga Meteorology Go and Coastal Radio Services. Welcome to your weekend weather update. This weekend is one of a classic since we are going to start off with a fine bright skies for many and ends up with something different, wet conditions for the vast of maturities. What we have identified here in the past few hours using satellite imagery is we have a floppy low pressure lies across Nuku'alofa into the west of the country. Another system here is a frontal lies over Tonga and Te Tokelau, which we are going to look at it in the next few seconds. But first, we have an extremely high tide still remains in force for all of Tonga area of responsibilities. Things still getting a bit stronger winds to the southern waters of Tonga, so that's why we are still in blaze strong wind warning and a small craft advisory for Te Tonga and Te Tokelau coastal waters. Now, for the next upcoming 5 days, modest forecasts are still having discrepancies in terms of time and how the system moves, but here's a likelihood scenario of what we are going to see by then using the UKML model, that we are going to have a low pressure system that will be developing over the west of the country, moving towards the south, causing some disruptions across the central to the south end of Tonga, some major risk of thunderstorms, heavy downpour, heavy showers, and we can see as this system going to the south, we can see here that the winds will be becoming northerly, so we are talking high humidity, 90 plus percentages of relative humidity across the areas. Some showers will be across the areas, but between them they'll be having some brighter skies. So for this evening until tomorrow morning, what we may have seen here is fine conditions for Vaia and Hawaii. A U-shape here of drizzle across Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu and Vaia. In fact, you can see here the winds are from the southeast, light to moderate, insignificant 10 to 15 knots. It could be lesser than that or could be reaching 20 knots at times in open and coastal waters. And of course, still getting blustery across to the southern waters of Tonga, Te Tonga and Te Tokelau. And the overnight temperatures will be 22, 24, perhaps 25 over the newest. And for tomorrow, more clouds is moving in from the west to the country. That means we are going to experience cloudy conditions, still having that U-shaped area affecting Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu and Vaia with some drizzle. And nonetheless, the winds will be staying at the same speed, still getting blustery over the southern waters of Tonga and 10 to 15 for the vast of maturities. Now here's the significant figures that the thermometers would read for the highest temperatures for tomorrow, 29 and 30s. Could be reaching 30s over Tongatapu and Vaia, depending on the frontal system for the southern waters of Tongatapu and Vaia. And for by then we can see again more clouds moving in from the west, and you can see here developing of some drizzle, maybe some showers across and still the persistence of rain over Tongatapu and Vaia with some heavy showers towards the south and so forth for the west of Nuku'alofa. Overnight temperatures for Sunday morning could be reaching down 23, 24, 25, still having the similar conditions for tomorrow, still uncomfortable for sleeping. And so forth for Sunday, it's a cloudy day with some drizzle. For the vast of maturity here, having persistence of rain, maybe some risk of thunderstorms, some heavy downpours towards to the south of Tongatapu and Vaia, mist and heat showers by then, and so forth for the west of Nuku'alofa. Now, our tide predictions, having our extremely high tide by this evening at 7:25 p.m. and the low tide will be tomorrow early at 2 a.m. or after midnight tonight. For the sunrise will be 10 minutes to 6, sunset will be 12 minutes past 7 p.m. this evening, tomorrow evening. And the moonrise will be this evening. I'll be misconceptual here of the sunset and the moonrise. So the moonrise and having the full moon by this evening at 7:36 p.m. And the moonset will be tomorrow early or tomorrow morning at 6:28 a.m. Now for next week, we'll be kicking stuff with some gloomy conditions, a bit the risk of thunderstorms, heavy downpour for Monday and Tuesday. And for Wednesday until Friday, we'll be having a mix of weather. We'll be seeing some sunny and some showers as well. It will be humidity, high humid due to northerly winds, so talking 90% of significant figures of relative humidity. The highest temperatures for these 5 days basically will be 27 to 29. That's quite all for this evening. hoping that you have a good weekend, and I will see you again by next week.
Thank you to Patelo and the rest of the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest update on the weather, wrapping up this hour's news package. But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Lady Vaia laid to rest at Otukolo Manatau Cemetery in Houma. Chinese ambassador to Tonga praises the successful state visit of their majesties to China, and the Hihifa district lights up in celebration of Christmas. That was the latest news with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.